Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. We've got a fun one for you today. We've got an animated little Facebook button here. Obviously if you click on it, it's going to take you to the Facebook page. Really easy to do. We're actually using Icon Scout for this icon today. And I'll show you exactly how to do it. So let's get started. I'm going to enable the visual builder and undo what I've got here. Okay, I've got my builder active now. I've undone what I had going on there. First thing we want to do is go and choose the icon that we want to display. So I'm going to go to iconscout.com and I'll put that link below the video. I simply put a Facebook search in the search box here. And I checked the free and the price here, so we've got all the free ones, so it's not going to cost anything. You may have to sign up with an email. I logged in with Google for my particular one today. Once you're here, choose the little icon that you want. This is the one I used last time. Let's use that one again. I'm going to hit the little download button on the bottom right hand side here, and we've got a choice of a GIF, an MP4, a Lottie JSON or a .lottie. I'm actually going to use a GIF for mine today. Once you hit the download button, it's going to download it for you. Let's go back to our site. Okay, I'm going to create a new section. Or if you want this on all pages, you could add it to a global footer or something like that. It would add it to all pages. And as I'm using fixed positioning for it, it doesn't matter where you put it. I'm just going to simply add a new section. So click on an existing section, little blue button to add a new one. I want to use a regular one. Inside, I'm going to put a single column, single row. And to do this today, I'm going to actually use just a regular Divi Image Module. Here we are right here. Once it opens up, I'm going to click on the placeholder field here, left click. It's going to take us to the media library. And let's just delete what I've got here, which is the original version of it. Now we can drag the little GIF up to our media library here and just drop it in there. Left click, drag and release. Once it's up there, I'm going to say upload image. And there it is in our little image module. Pretty big there at the bottom, so what I'm going to do is go over to my design here. I'm going to go to sizing. I'm going to make mine about 150 pixels wide and 150 pixels tall. So in the width, I'm going to type 150 px. I'm going to copy that, or you can retype it if you want to. I'm just going to make sure the height is similar. So I'm going to put that in the height as well. So we've got 150 pixels for the height and the width under the design tab in sizing. That's made it a lot more sort of manageable size, or the size that I want. Now obviously you're going to want to link this somewhere, probably to your Facebook page, I imagine. To do that, let's go back to our content tab, down to link. We don't want to open it in a lightbox. We just want to put a link URL in there. I've got my little Facebook page URL over here. Let's just paste that in there. As we're going off site, we're leaving our own site, I want to open it in a new tab. That way our site's going to stay open. Great. Well, now I really want to position it where I want it. And I'm going to use fixed positioning for that, so we can put it anywhere and it'll stay there on all devices. So to do that, I'm going to go over to the advanced, to position. Where it says default, I'm going to click on there and I'm going to set it to fixed. And you may notice it's popped up the top left hand side there. We've got a little matrix here. We can put it in the middle. Bottom, it might go under that footer there. Right in the middle. I'm sure you get the idea. I'm going to pop it on side there, but it's sort of hiding under my nav bar at the top, or my header. So with the vertical offset, I'm going to bring it down slightly. That's about right. And I want it a little closer to the side, so I'm going to offset it horizontally until it's where I want it right there. Maybe a little bit more, something like that. You can use the little arrows there to fine tune it. I think that'll work for me. Great. And if you need to, and this is common to all Divi modules, if you roll over the little location on the matrix here, there's a little mobile phone type icon. If we click on that, we can put it on in different places on tablet. I think on a tablet it'll probably work fine up there. Yeah, I think that's okay, but that's entirely up to you. Or mobile, I think I'd probably have it down the bottom of the page, perhaps. I mean, that works okay, but it's entirely up to you. We could just readjust it on mobile, put it in the middle at the bottom, perhaps. And we'll have to give it a different vertical offset. And we can adjust the vertical offset on here. Again, we have to roll over the dark writing, hit the little mobile phone icon. We're on the right one there. And then bring it up or down wherever you want it. I'm going to have mine just below my little gallery there. Perfect. And then when we flip back to desktop mode, it should pop back up to the left-hand side there. Fantastic. Now, as I said earlier, if you want this on every page, you can easily build it into a global footer. Just add it to here somewhere. As its fixed position, it won't take up much real estate. And that way it'll turn up on every page. Great, well that should work for us. Let's save what we've got here. We'll save the page changes. And let's exit the Visual Builder. And there's our little Facebook button there. When I click on it, it's going to open up my little Facebook page up here. That's a really nice little feature to have on your site. Really easy to do. Like I say, if you want it on every page, put it into either a custom global header or a custom global footer. If you're not sure how to build those, have a look at our playlist. We've got plenty of videos on how to build custom global footers and headers. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. Here's a really nice way of adding an animated social media icon to your site. And again, we've used Icon Scout for this today, and you'll find this link below the video. Great. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and WebDesignAndTechTips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.